my YouTube video channel of Engineering Graphics and Design subject. Myself Aarti Patel from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is second session of AutoCAD. Now in previous session we have discussed basic draw command for 2D drawing. In this session we are going to discuss modify command for 2D drawing. Now, modify commands are used to modify or update the existing drawing which is drawn by using draw command. So next, let us discuss modify commands of AutoCAD for 2D drawing which are erase, copy, mirror, move, rotate, offset, array, scale, stretch, trim, break a point, join, break, explode, chamfer and fillet. Next, let us understand one by one all these commands with example. First command is erase modify command. It is used to remove object from drawing. The command for erase is erase, erase. So type erase in the command area, then press enter. Next statement, display on the command area is select object. Select object by click with mouse. Here on the drawing area you can see the existing drawing or object is circle which is drawn by using basic draw commands. If you want to erase this circle, then you need to apply modify command which is erase. Select object by click with mouse right to left, then press enter. After pressing enter, the circle is removed from the drawing area. Next, let us understand copy modify command. It is used to make copies of the existing object. The command for copy is copy. So type copy in the command area, then press enter key. Next statement, display on the command area is select object. Select object by click with mouse right to left, then press enter. Specify base point or displacement or mode. Click the point in the inside area of the selected object as a base point, then press enter. Next statement, display on the command area is specify second point of displacement. Click at required location on the drawing area screen, then press enter. Here you can see if you want to create copy of this circle which is drawn by using basic draw command, first select its base point by click with mouse inside the area of this circle. Then next, second point, click on the drawing area for its displacement, and you can see here the copy of this existing circle is created here. Next, let us understand mirror command. It is used to create mirror image of the existing object. The command for mirror is mirror. So type mirror in the command area, then press enter key. Next statement, display on the command area is select object. So select object by mouse, then press enter. Specify one end point of mirror line. Here I have taken 20-30 units for first end point of mirror line, then press enter. Next statement is display on the command area is specify second end point of mirror line. Here I have taken second end point for mirror line is 20-50 units. Here the units for x-axis are same. So the mirror image is created with reference to vertical line. Here you can see this rectangle is existing object which is drawn by using basic draw command. If you want to create its mirror image with reference to vertical line. Then define first endpoint of the mirror line. Here I have taken 20-30 mm or units, and next define second endpoint of mirror line. Here I have taken 20-50 units. So with reference to this mirror line, the mirror image of this existing or selected object is created here. Next, let us understand move command. It is used to move or displace object a specified distance in a specified direction. The command for move is move move. So type move in command area, then press enter key. Next statement is display on the command area is select object. Select object by click with mouse right to left, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar is specify base point or displacement or mode. Select base point by click with mouse inside the area of the object. Then press enter. Here you can see the existing object is a circle which is drawn by using basic draw command. If you want to move this object, then you need to apply move command. Now after applying move command, the selected object will disappear, and this is indicate move object same size as selected object. Next, let us understand rotate command. It is used to rotate the object around base point. The command for rotate is rotate rotate. So type rotate in the command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object. So select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify base point. Select base point by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify rotation angle. Here I have taken negative 45-degree angle, then press enter. Now negative for clockwise direction rotation and positive for anti-clockwise direction rotation. Here you can see the existing object is rectangle which is drawn by using basic draw command. If you want to rotate this rectangle from fixed or selected base point, then you need to apply rotate command. Here I have taken minus 45-degree angle and selected base point is here. So this rectangle object is rotated in clockwise direction at 45-degree angle from this selected base point. So here you can see this rectangle with same size is rotated here at 45-degree angle in clockwise direction because I have taken minus 45-degree angle. Next, let us understand offset command. It is used to create concentric circles, parallel lines and parallel curves. The command for offset is OFFSET offset. So type offset in command bar area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar area is specify offset distance. Here I have taken 2 units for offset distance. Unit you can take meter, mm, centimeter as per your requirement. After pressing enter, next statement display on the command bar is select object to offset. Select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar is specify point on side to offset. Click by mouse any outside or inside point, then press enter. Here you can see this is existing or selected object which is rectangle, and this is final object after applying offset command. Here offset is taken inside the rectangle, and offset distance is taken here 2 units. So here the distance between these two rectangle is 2 unit, and which is known as offset inside distance. Here you can see, if you want to draw concentric circle outside the existing circle, then you need to specify point on side of offset is outside the selected object, and distance between these two circle you can take any size. Here this distance indicate offset outside distance. Next, let us understand array command. It is used to create multiple copies of objects in a pattern. There are two methods for array. First is rectangular array. It distributes object copies in any combination of rows and columns. So it is used for sitting arrangement in auditorium, tiles fitting in hall, etc. Second method is polar array. It evenly distributes copies of the object in the circular pattern around the center point of the axis of the rotation. It is used for gear teeth, sprocket teeth, etc. Next, let us understand rectangular array with example. Now the command for array is array array. So type array in the command bar, then press enter. Next statement is display on the command bar is select object. So select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar is enter type of array. Here rectangular array is taken, so type R, then press enter. Enter the value of number of rows. Here I have taken 3. Number of column I have taken 4. Row offset distance and column offset distance in array window from toolbox area. Here you can see this is indicate existing or selected object, which is circle. After applying rectangular array command, the copies of this circle are arranged in a pattern as per taken value of number of rows, column, row offset distance and column offset distance. Here I have taken 4 column and 3 rows. So the copies of selected objects are arranged in 4 column and 3 rows. Here the distance between these 2 points is known as column offset distance, and the distance between these 2 points is known as row offset distance. Next, let us understand polar array. The command for polar array is array array. So type array in the command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object. Select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is enter type of array. Here I have taken polar array, so type P and then press enter. Enter the value of total number of items. Here I have taken 8. Angle of fill. Now here I have taken fill angle 360 degree, and angle between items. Here the angles between two items I have taken 45 degree, and which will be calculated by AutoCAD. Here you can see this is our selected object. After applying polar array, selected objects copies arranged in a circular pattern. Here I have taken total 8 items, 360 degree angle, and the angle between two items is 45 degree. So here you can see each item arranged in circular pattern, and the angle between two items is 45 degree. Next, let us understand Scale command. It is used to enlarge or reduce object equally in the 2 or 3 directions. The command for scale is scale scale. So type scale in command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object. So select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify base point. Select base point by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify scale factor. Here I have taken scale factor is 2. So the size of the existing object is increased 2 times. Here you can see this rectangle is indicate selected or existing object. This is selected base point. So with reference to this selected base point, this existing or selected rectangle size increased 2 times because scale factor is taken 2. So this is indicate enlarged object which is increase 2 times the existing or selected object. Next, let us understand stretch command. It is used to stretch the portion of the object from any side. The command for stretch is stretch stretch. So type stretch in the command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object. Select object by click with mouse, then press enter. The next statement display on the command area is specify base point. Click the point in the inside area of the selected object as a base point, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify second point. Stretch by mouse and click. Several objects like circle, ellipse and blocks cannot be stretched by using stretch command. Here you can see this is our selected or existing object. This plus sign indicate here selected base point, and after applying stretch command you can see stretch object. Here the object is stretched from this base point to right side. Next let us understand trim command. It is used to erase or remove the unwanted extended parts of the object. Command for trim is trim. So type trim in the command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify object to trim. Click by mouse on an object where trim is required. Then press enter. Here you can see these 2 rectangles are indicate selected or existing object. If you want to trim these 4 lines, then you need to select these 2 rectangle, and after applying trim command, this unwanted portion is removed or erased. So this is indicate trimmed object. Next, let us understand break a point command. It is used to break a line from single point. The command is break a point. So type break a point in command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object or line. So select object or line part by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is specify first break point. Select point on line by click with mouse, then press enter. Here you can see this selected line is break from this plus point. After applying break a point command, the line is broken from a single selected point. Next, let us understand join command. It is used to join 2 lines of the object. The command for the join is join join. So type join in command area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area is select object or two component by click with mouse, then press enter. Here you can see if you want to join this 1 and 2 selected line, then apply join command, and after applying join command, this two line join in a single line. Next, let us understand break command. It is used to create gap between two specified point on an object, or it is used to erase part of object or splits an object into two. The command of break is break break. So type break in command bar or area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is select object. So select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is specify first breakpoint. Click by mouse on an object, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is specify second breakpoint. So click by mouse on an object, then press enter. Here you can see this single line is our selected object or line. This plus sign indicates first selected breakpoint and this plus sign indicates second selected breakpoint. After applying break command, the line is broken from two selected point or create a gap in between two selected point. Next, let us understand explode command. It is used to break a compound object into its component objects. Now the use of explode command is opposite to the use of region command. The command for explode is explode explode. So type explode in command bar or area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is select object. So select object by click with mouse, then press enter. Here you can see this is our selected compound object. Compound means when you click at one point on this rectangle periphery, then whole rectangle is selected. Now after applying explode command, this selected object or rectangle is break into its component objects. It means when you click on this edges of the rectangle, then whole rectangle is not selected by mouse, only this edges is selected by mouse. It means rectangle 4 edges break by using explode command. Next, let us understand chamfer. It is used to bevel the edges of objects. The command for chamfer is chamfer, chamfer. So type chamfer in command bar or command area, then press enter. Next statement is display on the command bar or area is select first line. Select first line by click with mouse. Then next statement is display on the command bar or area is select second line or shift select to apply corner or distance or angle method. Here I have taken distance. So type distance, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is specify first chamfer distance. Here I have taken 20 units for first chamfer distance, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is specify second chamfer distance. Here I have taken 20 units for second chamfer distance, then press enter. Next statement display on the command area or bar is select second line. Select second line by click with mouse, then press enter. Here you can see this rectangle is our selected object. This first point indicate first selected line and this second point indicates second selected line. Now here we want to create chamfer in between these two lines after applying chamfer command, and the distance for chamfer is specified 20 for this line and 20 for second line. So after applying chamfer command, chamfer is created in between these two lines. Next, let us understand example of chamfer command for angle. Command is same chamfer. So type chamfer in the command bar area, then press enter. Select first line. So select first line by click with mouse. Here this first point is indicate first selected point. Next statement display on the command bar is select second line or shift select to apply corner or distance or angle method. Here I have used angle, so type angle, then press enter. Specify first chamfer distance. Here I have taken 2 units for first chamfer distance, then press enter. Specify chamfer angle from first line. So from this first line, I have taken 45-degree angle, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar is select second line. So select second line by click with mouse. Then press enter. So here you can see this is our selected object. This is our first selected point. Chamfer is created from this line and the angle for chamfer is taken 45-degree and distance or unit is taken 2 for this second selected line. After applying chamfer command angle method, the chamfer is created in between these two lines. Length for this first line is 2 unit and angle from this first line is 45-degree. So here this rectangle indicates chamfer with angle after applying chamfer command using angle method. Next, let us understand fillet command. It is used to round off the sharp edges of objects. Command for fillet is FILLET fillet. So type fillet in the command bar area, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar or area is select first object or first line. So select first line by click with mouse, then press enter. Select second object or shift select to apply corner or radius. Here I have taken radius, then press enter. Specify fillet radius. Here I have taken 10 units for fillet radius, then press enter. Next statement display on the command bar is select second object or line or shift select to apply corner or radius. So select second line by click with mouse, then press enter. Here you can see this is our selected rectangle object. This one is indicate first selected line and this second indicate second selected line. If you want to create fillet in between these two lines, now the radius for fillet is I have taken 10 units. So after applying fillet command, the fillet is created in between these two lines and the radius of this fillet is 10 unit. You can change this unit as per your requirement. So this is the end of this session. See you soon. Thank you.